In previous videos, we have learned the tools of Kali Linux regarding information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, database assessment, and now we are proceeding to our next module, which is password attacks. Password attack is an important module because it covers the part of cryptography, that how you can create hashes, how you can crack hashes by using the tools in Kali Linux. So we will cover up all of that in our password attack portion. So as you can see, if I click on password attack, you can see there are bunches of tools available in Kali Linux, and we will do some important tools of password attacks in Kali Linux as well as in Windows. So first of all, we are starting with the first tool, Cewl. Let's clear it. You won't find any other course on internet like this, which will explain you about Kali Linux tools. So that's why it is necessary for you to complete the course. And when you complete the course, then you will get expertise in Kali Linux tools as well as Windows ethical hacking tools. First of all, let's see what is Cewl. Type man Cewl. So as you can see that Cewl is custom word list generator. Description is Cewl is a Ruby app which spiders a given which can then be used for password crackers such as John the Ripper, and we will learn John the Ripper in the later videos. Right? These are the options like help-h to find out the help regarding the tool. To count the word, they use --count. In --email, what it does, it includes email address in the search area. This will create an email list after the word list that can be used as usernames in brute force actions. And when we down, then you can see that there's a bunch of options available, like --email file. We will use it in our practical. What it does, file name for email output must be used with -e options. If you use the email list created by -e option will be written in a file and won't be shown in stdout. Stdout means the output basically. Bugs. Someone has reported that the spider misses one page, some pages which have query strings on them. This issue isn't confirmed. Author. Who is the author of the tool? The Cewl was written by Robin Wood. He's the person who has developed this tool. And the manual page was written by the Joao Alberto Motopilho for the Debian project. Okay, fine. So let's open the commands of Cewl. You can see. So these are some commands of Cewl, and as you can see here, this is the target website. So first of all, we will open up the target website, that how it looks. Let's take a look. So let's open up the Mozilla Firefox, and let's find out the target website is available. So Google and type therightcards.com to find out the website which you're looking for. So type rightcards.com and enter. Yeah, this one. Capital Area Rural Transportation System. Let's click it. And this is the website. Okay. So what Cewl will do, Cewl will count all the words inside this website and will give you numbers. So this is our target, and we want to find what type of words they are using in the website. It will also help to use in SEO, search engine optimization. So let's close it and open up the terminal. Let's ping this website, ridecards.com. Yes, it is pinging. The server is up for the target. Control C, clear. Now let's type our first command, which is q space www.ridecards.com and type enter. Now maybe it will take time if the website is big or large number of words. But if a website is small, then it won't take more than 20 to 30 seconds to find out the result for us. So if a website is big, it has more pages, 300, 400 pages, then it will take some time to count the words inside that website using the Cewl tool, right? So as you can see that it is in processing mode, and after some time, after some seconds, it will find out the number of words find out in the particular website. Yeah, yes, you can see here. As you can see, yeah, here you can see that these are the words that the website is using in its domain name, or in its website content. These all are the words are using in the website. So this will give us a rough idea that what they are using in their website, right? So this is a cool tool, Cewl, which you can use to find out the number of words or the count of words inside a website. There are thousands of words available in the website, right? So that's how the Cewl tool works. You won't find any other tool in Windows to do this same. The Kali Linux only gives you the facility to find out the words inside a website content, right? So let's find out. Let's do some another. Now suppose you have seen in previous command that you have find out the words, but what if a word comes more than 10 times, right? Then how will you know that this word has come 10 times in the website, like and? Maybe the and has come more than 100 times in the website. So how will you find out that the count of each word? That is important. This can be worked by these commands, right? So let's do these commands. So let's type q space dash c space www is important. Don't type writecards.com and type enter. Give the website, and it will take its time, right? So you have to be patient, right? And now the C will the count the words, the number of words, the number of similar words in a website. That is also a tricky part of Kali Linux, because that will find out the hidden area of the website, the hidden images, the hidden content of the website. So that's why Cewl is a very popular and handy tool in Kali Linux to find out the different type of words and their count. So you can see here clearly. I will elaborate you. Yes, now you can see here the and word has come 1243 times in the website. So this is a magic of Cewl to find the count of the website. The word has come 917 times and 614 times. That's step 243 times. If you don't believe in this tool, you can count it manually from the website, because this tool won't give you wrong results. Green color has come in 9 times. And some more words are here, and these are the number of counts, means these words have come only one time in the website. So you can find out in www.writecards.com that it has come only one time or not, right? So here we can find out the count words available in the website. Let's clear it. Open up our third command, which is similar than the second one. Like we type q dash e dash dash email underscore file space mail.txt space the target name www dot slash root slash desktop slash mail.txt file, and then write cards.com. This has been created by the Robinhood. So this is our third command and the final one, that how you can use a file path in queue. It will take its time. The hacking is not like magic. You see in movies like they will hack in 5 to 10 seconds. No, in real life you cannot. In real life you have to give time to hack a system, to crack a file, to get the password file from the system. So it is different from the other areas. So these all are the same thing that came, right? The words. Now you can see there is a file we have created and in our desktop. If you don't see the commands, let's do it again. This is our command, right? And I have saved a file, this one, mail.txt. It is created, not yes. You can see here that our mail file has been created on desktop. So let's open it. Yes, you can see here that this file will contain the email address of the in these websites, according to this website, that this dash e dash dash email file will find out the email address on internet regarding writecards.com. So you can see that you have also find out the email address in mail.txt file, right? So Cewl is also used to find out the hidden emails available in internet regarding that person or that company, right? So this is the beauty of Cewl, to find out the email addresses of the particular website and count the words available in the website as well. So here you have learned that how you can use the tool, the first tool of password attack, Cewl, to find out the words available in the website and the email address regarding that victim domain name. I hope you have enjoyed the video. In next video, we will learn some more handy and interesting tools regarding Kali Linux. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning. Thank you.